introduced to NetSoft by one of my college friends. We took computer systems together at college, and after start working in the IT industry, he said, "Okay, Kevin, it's this institute is really good, and you should come and visit this institute because they have trainings that would at least help you to grow in IT." And I told him, "No, I don't want to go and upgrade myself as yet." And then in 2010, I just made the leap and just said, "You know what, I'm gonna come and check it out." And after coming to NetSoft, I'm still coming to NetSoft. It's been from since 2010 until this day. I've took Windows Track, I've took Citrix, VMware. Coming to NetSoft really helped me a lot, helped me to improve my technical side, even my physical side of. We had lots of scenarios, workshop, came to firewalking, which at least helped to boost my confidence, went to trainings, and it was a real help to me emotionally and physically, and strengthen my inner core. And NetSoft is really a wonderful place where you can balance yourself in education, physically, financially, and it's really a great institute. The people are very friendly, and they help you a lot. If you have any technical questions or you're struggling with certain things, you can ask, and I will recommend NetSoft to coworkers or to my peers that I know who are interested. I will recommend them to NetSoft. Well, NetSoft is a great institute, and I'm gonna just emphasize this: continue to doing a great work you're doing.